There's a single superfood so nutrient-dense that NASA used it as a dietary supplement for astronauts in space. It's not a high-tech lab creation. It's a natural microalgae called spirulina. Even the UN and the World Health Organization have called it the food of the future because it packs a massive punch of protein, vitamins, and antioxidants without the empty calories. But here is the catch. Because it's an algae, where and how it's grown changes everything. If you pick the wrong source, you could be consuming heavy metals and other contaminants instead of reaping intended health benefits. This video covers the top health benefits of spirulina and why Atomy 100% Pure Spirulina has become the gold standard for getting it right. Why is everyone, from athletes to nutritionists, obsessed with this blue-green algae? First, it's a plant-based protein powerhouse. Spirulina is made up of 60% to 70% complete protein by weight, containing all essential amino acids. That's a game changer if you're plant-based or vegetarian. Second, it provides a massive natural energy boost. It contains a unique protein pigment complex called Phycocyanin, which is found only in spirulina. Phycocyanin acts as a brutal opponent against free radicals, crushing cellular inflammation and helping your muscles recover faster after a workout. Add in a flood of iron, chlorophyll, and vitamins B1, B2, and B3, and you have a natural remedy that supports your heart, boosts your immune system, and can even help soothe annoying seasonal allergies. The 95% absorption advantage. Unlike most plants that have tough cellulose walls your stomach struggles to break down, spirulina's cell walls are made of pectin, a soluble dietary fiber. This means your body easily digests it, boasting an incredible 95% absorption rate. But here's the problem. Because spirulina absorbs everything from its environment, if it's grown in unregulated or polluted waters, it acts like a sponge for heavy metals and other toxins. That cheap spirulina you find online might be doing your liver more harm than good. This is exactly why Atomy 100% Pure Spirulina stands out. Atomy sources their premium raw ingredients from pristine, ultra-pure environments like the sun-drenched, clean air facilities in Kona, Hawaii. They use pure groundwater and mineral-rich ocean water, completely isolated from industrial and agricultural runoff. But Atomy didn't stop there. They use a specialized low-temperature drying technology. From the moment the live culture is harvested to the final powder, it takes just 15 minutes. This hyper-fast, gentle process ensures that the delicate antioxidants, like Phycocyanin, aren't damaged by heat or oxidation. Plus, let's be honest, raw spirulina powder tastes and smells fishy, so Atomy packs their 100% pure, non-GMO powder into odor-free, plant-based capsules. You get all the massive superfood benefits with zero swampy aftertaste. To get the full benefits, all it takes is 2 capsules a day with water, perfect on an empty stomach in the morning or right after a workout. If you are ready to swap out synthetic multivitamins for a clean, ancient, natural superfood that actually fuels your cells, Atomy is the absolute highest quality for the absolute best price. If you are not already a member of Atomy, it is free to join. Just ask the person who sent you this video. Membership is by invitation only. Once you sign up with your sponsor's credentials, you can then buy spirulina and many other high-quality health products online at atomy.com anytime. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more evidence-based health tips and tell me in the comments, have you ever tried spirulina before?